Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download OBS Studio and install on your Windows machine. To start, you need to install OBS on your Windows machine. First, download OBS Studio from their website by clicking any browser of your choice. On address bar, you type download OBS, then you click download OBS. After downloading the OBS, you go to download folder where you download OBS setup 2. Then you click on it to install. Here is the OBS setup. I double click on it to install on my Windows machine. Now I'm installing OBS. After that, you click yes to start installing OBS on your Windows machine. Then click next. Click next. Now OBS software is installing on the Windows machine. OBS is an open source software that can be used to record videos and live stream on any social media platform that you want to live stream on it, and it is free to download and install. Now we are downloading it. Installing the OBS on your Windows machine, you click on OBS icon on the desktop to move to OBS software or dashboard. When you install OBS for the first time, you need to configure it to suit your prescription or configuration. You choose the necessary features, then you click on continue. After installing, you will find OBS software on you. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update. Thank you.